Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and today it's Margarete Miller challenge, and we are at number 22, and of course going back to catch up number 1. My goodness, that flew past to get to number 1, so that means next week I'll only have one to do, which will be 23, and that's me up to date. So let's get on with 22, which is a date, a group of 3, a flag, something found underwater, a ribbon, and the bonus is something with a bumpy surface. So today, a date, I have my date stamp. Let's put this little clip on this. I have a date stamp with today's date on it. A group of 3. I have this from my antiquarian sticker book. A flag I don't have, so I'm going to use something with a bumpy surface. So I've got this piece of bumpy paper, fibrous bumpy paper. A group of 3, something found, a flag, yes, something with a bumpy surface, something found underwater. I have got 2 starfish from my Extraordinary Things to Cut Out book, and a ribbon. I have a piece of ribbon. Quite a simple, straightforward one today. Everything going the one way, and that's me. And I'll put the date somewhere here when I've stuck everything down. Okay, and I've got my ink pad there for the date. So let's get the book with the glue and let's get sticking. So welcome to my new subscribers. It's absolutely fabulous to have you here. The numbers are growing. I'm absolutely over the moon that people are taking time to watch the videos and to leave nice comments. It's quite a boost to the old confidence that that you're liking what I'm doing. I'm just back from my holidays. Oh, this is a sticker, so I'll need just to lift that with a little pokey tool. Yeah, I'm just back from my holidays, so I just recorded a video yesterday when I got back of my traveller's notebook, which recorded each day what we did. So if you're interested in a little bit of scrapbooking, memory keeping, travels, journals, have a wee peek. You might quite enjoy a little chat about my holiday, my vacation. Just overlap them a little bit. There we are. And date stamp, so we have the 24th of May. And will we put it down here or up here? Down here, I think. Just go for it. Sometimes that one splodges a bit, but that's not too bad. Let's just put it out of the way because it's all inky. Right, I think that's it. Easy peasy today. So we've got a date. We have a group of 3, the 3 ladies reading. A flag, which I don't have, but I've got the bumpy surface, the ribbon, and the underwater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. 22. So let's go on to number 1. And number 1 is something fast, a postage stamp, a piece of map, a border or a frame, a portion of a brochure, and the bonus is a forum or part of a forum. So let's see what we've got here. We have Something Fast. There's my superhero, I am guessing, because he's got a cape that he's fast. A postage stamp, a piece of map, a border or a frame, which is a sticker again from the antiquarian book, and a portion of a brochure. And this is just an old brochure. It's foreign. It looks maybe Eastern European, maybe Russian writing. So I was thinking that we would put the brochure down first because it's the biggest, and then we'll put the frame on the top. So let's get the brochure stuck down. So yes, so we had a grand time down in Northumberland at a cottage in a little village. Oh no. Oh, there was glue on the page that I was gluing on top of. I'll get that wiped off. Let's see if we can get this a little bit straighter. There we are. Let's wipe that off. So yes, so we had a lovely week away. We were quite, although the weather's not great here just now, we were actually quite lucky with the weather. It was dry at least most days, and in the mornings it was actually quite bright. Not hugely warm, but bright enough that you could go out and about. I've just absolutely covered that in glue, but it'll dry in. I'm going to be putting things on top anyway, of course. Right, let's do the frame next. So this is from my antiquarian book, and I'm just going to try and get this nearly maybe about there. Yeah, I've got a little bit, it's a little bit bigger, but that doesn't matter. You can see that there's the brochures underneath, and then the map. Right, now let's try and not get glue everywhere this time. Do you know what I think it is? I think it's fibre from that other bumpy fibrous paper that's been left on the magazine and on the top of the glue stick. Here we are, and we'll just put our superhero coming out the map, and because his fists are there, I'm thinking his hands can hold the postage stamp. If we put the postage stamp about there, then we can make his hands hold the stamp, because you know it has to make some sort of sense, doesn't it? So, oh, that's his arm off. Oh dear, I'm not doing a very good job of this. That's his cape off. Let's see if we can. Oh, once it's stuck on, you won't notice some minor surgery, but I wanted it to hold the stamp. Let's see if we can just join that arm up. Let's just gently. There, you would never know. There's just a little bit of glue needed there. There. So our superhero's holding a big huge postage stamp. That's it. Right, so we have something fast, postage stamp, a piece of map, a border and a border stroke frame, and a portion of a brochure is there in that wee window. So that's us for number 1, and I think that's quite a good eye-catching one for number 1. I've got a page here which I think I'll probably just decorate, kind of like I decorated the front cover. Maybe just put a title. I've got a title there. I'll see. I'll do something here so that we can start, maybe the date that I started it or something, I don't know. So number 1 and number 22. So that's us done. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you're well. Thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.